Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is a quick video to show you how to set the combination lock on a Samsonite luggage. All Samsonite luggages that have this combination lock for the zippers, and by that I mean watch this, click on the side, it releases the zipper pulls which double as locking mechanisms that go into this combination lock. All of these are preset to 0. Now, if you want to set that for a combination that only you know, not 000, it's relatively easy, and I'll show you quickly how to do that. Step 1 is to open the lock. So you just press the button on the right side, and the lock is open. Step 2 is to find yourself a small tool. I've got a couple small screwdrivers that I'm going to try to hit the reset button in here. And I'm going to use one of these. It also shows you can use like a pencil or a pen. I'm going to push this in there until I hear a click. So here we go. I definitely heard a click. And now you simply set the combination to what you want. So I'm going to set 1, 2, 3. Okay, we set 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to press the open button, and you heard another click, and now it's set to 1, 2, 3. To test it out, put the zippers back in there, change it to something besides 1, 2, 3, and it doesn't open up. Go back to 1, 2, 3, and it opens up. So you can set this to whatever you want, but you always have to have the previous combination in mind. So I'm going to go set this to our preferred combination, but I'm going to start with a 1, 2, 3. That's how simple it is. Be sure to write this down in a place that you'll remember it, or make it an easily rememberable code for yourself. That's it. Thanks for watching.